Hello，大家好，我係 Miss V 啊。今日同大家一齊做呢個 Primary Longman Elect Grammar 6A。我今日請咗啤梨陪大家一齊讀 Chapter 6 Relative Pronouns Who 同埋 Which。My boat sank， 我隻船沉啦。And I swam to an island， 我游咗去一個島。Things on this island were very strange， 喺呢個島上面嘅嘢好特別。I saw some trees which could walk， 我睇到一啲樹 ，which 係講緊嗰啲樹。我睇到有啲樹，嗰啲樹咧可以行嘅。There were a horse， 嗰度有隻馬 ，which could fly， 隻馬咧就識飛嘅。I also saw some people who walked on their hands。我仲見到有啲人，佢哋會用佢哋自己隻手嚟行路嘅噃。There was a boy who was running after a lion。嗰度仲有個男孩子，佢咧係追住隻獅子嚟跑嘅喎。There was a girl who was making a necklace with her legs。仲有個女仔用緊佢隻腳嚟做頸鏈啊！哇，真係好古怪喎。Who 係講有關啲人嘅，邊個人 ？Question word 如果擺喺個問題句度咧，就 Who is Ken？ Ken 係邊個啊？如果唔係 question word 嘅話咧，咁佢咧就會係一個句子冇 question mark 嘅話咧，就會寫 Ken is the boy who is riding the bicycle， 即係答翻頭先個問題啦。阿 Ken 咧就係個男孩子，嗰個係邊個男孩子啊？係嗰個男孩子踩緊單車嗰個男孩子就係阿 Ken 啦。咁所以 who 咧呢個字咧就稱之為 relative pronoun。咁 which 咧就另一個啦。如果唔係人，而係講啲死物或者係動物嘅話咧，就係用 which。好啦 ，which 咧都係 question word 嚟嘅。咁如果係問題句咧，就係 Which car is Mr. Low's？ 阿盧先生嘅車係邊一架咧？咁好啦，答呢條問題啦，邊一架車嘛 ？The car which is very expensive is Mr. Low's。好貴嗰架車就係盧先生噶啦，即係話盧先生架車好貴啦。好啦，跟住 Sue is telling Amy about her sisters and her dolls. Underline the relative pronouns and fill in the correct names. 阿 Sue 咧就話緊俾 Amy 知有關佢啲姊妹同埋佢啲公仔，間低邊一個係 relative pronouns， 同埋咧填翻啱個名喎。Amy 就問啦 ，Who is Helen？ 邊個係 Helen 啊？阿 Sue 就答 ，She is the girl who is sitting on the sofa。就係 relative pronoun， 即係個 who 啦，所以我哋揀住個 who 啦。邊個係 Helen 呢？佢話佢坐喺 sofa 上面嗰個，即係呢一個啦，冇理由係呢個啩？呢個係公仔嚟噶嘛 ？Which is Sally？ 咁啊，邊個係 Sally 啊？She is the doll which is on the sofa。咁佢咧 ，Sally 就係坐喺 sofa 上面，但係咧係個公仔嚟嘅，咁所以就係呢個啦。咁好啦 ，Number 3，Which is Tina？ 邊個係 Tina 啊 ？She is the doll which is on the floor。哦，都係個公仔嚟嘅，不過就喺個地下上。咁跟住 Number 4，Who is Donna？ 邊個叫 Donna 咧？She is the girl who is sweeping the floor。佢係個女仔嚟嘅，係掃緊地嗰個女仔。哇，好乖喎！Rewrite the sentences using who or which。我哋重組過啲句子，用 who 同埋 which 啦。Number 1， Last month Mr. Chow bought a flat。上個月周先生買咗間屋。It has a balcony。間屋咧就有個露台嘅。Last month Mr. Chow bought a flat which has a balcony。 which 係指個 flat， 即係嗰間屋，就唔使分開兩句句子，就一句過啦。明唔明白？ Number 2 I have a sister, she likes painting pictures. 我有個姐姐或者妹妹，佢呢好鍾意去油圖畫畫圖畫嘅。I have a sister who likes painting pictures. 咁就將兩個句子連埋咗啦，因為 sister 係個人，所以就用 who 啦。My neighbor has a dog. It often barks at night. 我個鄰居有隻狗，嗰隻狗呢就成日喺夜晚吠嘅。My neighbor has a dog which often barks at night. 嗱，記住我哋就算用咗 relative pronoun which 或者 who 啦，嗰個去指緊嗰個嘢動物啦或者人呢，如果佢係 he she it 嘅話呢，都係要加 s 嘅。好啦，跟住 Number 4 David is talking to a girl. She has long hair. David 呢就同緊個女仔講嘢，而嗰個女仔呢就係長頭髮嘅。Elaine is showing a video to her aunt. 阿 Elaine 呢就畀緊條片畀佢 auntie 睇緊喎。Finish the sentences using who or which. 咁我哋填返嗰啲句子就用 who 或者 which 啦。Aunt, is this your birthday party? 呢個係咪你嘅生日會啊？ Elaine 就答啦 Yes, these are my friends. 係啊，呢啲就係我嘅朋友啦。Rex is the boy who is drinking juice. Rex 呢就係嗰個男仔喺度飲緊果汁。Sandy is the girl who has a small mouth. Sandy 呢就係嗰個好細個嘴嗰個女仔。Bonnie is the girl who is eating a sandwich. Bonnie 呢就係嗰個女仔呢，就食緊三文治。Peter is the boy who has curly hair. Peter 呢就係攣頭髮嗰個男仔。Aunt 就問啦 Did you get any presents? 你有冇禮物啊？ Elaine 就答啦 Yes, I got 4 presents. 有啊，我收到4份禮物。There are 2 teddy bears. 兩隻啤啤熊啦。Jimmy is the teddy bear which has a big nose. Jimmy 呢就係嗰隻啤啤熊呢，就有隻大鼻嘅。Sam is the teddy bear which is wearing a hat. Sam 呢就係嗰隻啤啤熊呢，就有戴住頂帽嘅。There are 2 toy cats. 嗰度仲有兩隻玩具貓。Danny is the toy cat which has a long tail. Danny 呢就係隻玩具貓，有條長尾巴嘅。Bobo is the toy cat which is wearing boots. Bobo 呢就係嗰隻玩具貓，着住一對 boot 嘅。Conditional sentences. Second conditional. 嗱，今次呢就講兩種有情況底下先至會發生嘅事情啦。嗱，咁有 first conditional 啦同 second conditional 嘅。First conditional 係啲乜嘢嚟嘅呢？嗱，我哋睇一啲句子啊。If I become a doctor, I will help sick people. 如果我成為咗一個醫生呢，我就會幫一啲病人。It is possible that I will become a doctor and help sick people. 呢個呢，即係話係有機會嘅，有可能我會成為醫生嘅，咁我呢，就會幫人嘅。We use first conditional sentences to show that something will happen under certain conditions. 用呢一種 first conditional 嘅情況呢，就係話係有機會會發生嘅情況，我哋就會用呢種嘅 conditional sentence 啦。Second conditional， 睇下個例子下。If I were a princess, I would live in a castle. I'm not a princess and I will never become a princess. second conditional sentences are about situations that do not exist or events that are unlikely to happen. This is not the past tense. We use I was in the past tense. 嗱，呢個呢就比較上複雜少少啦，大家專心啲下。呢度呢就係話呢個女仔呢就話，如果我係一個公主，我就會喺個堡壘度住。咁當然啦，但係有冇可能啊？佢冇可能係個公主嚟嘅喎，邊個無端端會做咗公主啊？咁所以呢，就係呢個係冇可能發生嘅事。呢個唔係過去式喎，留意，如果過去式呢係用 I was 嘅，唔係 I will 嘅，冇可能發生嘅嘢呢就係 I will， 明唔明白啊？咁好啦，咁所以呢，一啲冇可能發生嘅嘢呢，我哋呢就會用 second conditional sentences 嘅啦，記住啦。Are these sentences in the first or second conditional? Underline the conditional clause in each sentence and tick the correct box. 嗱，下面嘅句子究竟佢係屬於第一種情況定第二種呢？嗱，咁我哋睇睇咯喎。If I were a rich man, I would buy a big house. 如果我係一個有錢佬呢，我就會買間大屋啦。即係而家唔係啊嘛，佢唔係講將來喎。我而家即係冇可能係啦。如果我而家係嘅話呢，我呢就會買間大屋。咁所以呢，佢呢就係 second conditional 啦。I 你見到係用 were， 唔係 was， 唔係普通嘅 past tense。好啦，第二句 Mr. O will travel to Japan。歐先生就會去日本嘅。If he has enough money， 如果佢有足夠嘅錢，佢就會去噶啦。咁所以呢係 first conditional 嘅。If Sue were a butterfly, she would dance around the flowers。如果阿 Sue 係隻蝴蝶呢，佢會繞住啲花跳舞嘅。咁冇可能啦，阿 Sue 係個人嚟噶嘛。Ricky will help a lot of people if he becomes a lawyer。如果 Rick 呢成為一個律師呢，就會幫好多人噶啦。咁呢個係有可能發生嘅，咁所以呢就係 first conditional 啦。Peter would fly a spaceship if he were an astronaut today。如果阿 Peter 呢今日係一個太空人呢，佢就會坐太空船飛噶啦。咁今日唔係今日唔會發生嘅事，咁所以 second conditional 啦。If I were you, I would not go to the party。如果我係你呢，我就唔會去個 party 啦。咁我一定唔會變咗做你啦。咁所以就係 second conditional。I 就係變咗 will， 唔係 was 啦。明唔明白啊？What would Peter do if he were the following people? Peter 會點做呢？如果係以下嘅人物 ，complete the sentences using the second conditional。我哋用 second conditional 去完成以下嘅句子啊。點解用 second conditional 啊？因為 Peter 冇可能係第二個人噶嘛。佢話如果 Peter 係下面嗰啲人，佢就會點樣呢？ Number 1. Polly often gets sick. She seldom does exercise. If I were Polly, I would do more exercise. 阿 Polly 呢就成日都病嘅，佢好少做運動㗎。咁啊 Peter 就話啦，如果我係 Polly 呢，我就會做多啲運動啦。Number 2. Bobby eats a lot of sweets. He has toothache. If I were Bobby, I would eat fewer sweets. Bobby 呢就食好多糖嘅，佢呢就有牙痛。如果呢我係 Bobby 呢，我就會食少啲糖啦。Number 3. Jack often gets up late. If I were Jack, I would set the alarm clock every night. Jack 呢每次起身都遲嘅，咁如果我係阿 Jack 呢，我呢就會每晚校返個鬧鐘啦。Number 4. Donald often fails his tests and exams. If I were Donald, I would study hard. Donald 呢每次測驗考試都唔合格嘅。如果我係 Donald 呢，我呢就會努力啲讀書啦。Nancy is lazy. She does not do any housework. Nancy 就好懶嘅，佢呢就唔做家務嘅。If I were Nancy, I would do with the housework. 如果我係 Nancy 呢，我呢就會做家務啦。Number 6. Simon's handwriting is very messy. Simon 嗰啲字呢好核突㗎。If I were Simon, I would practice my handwriting. 如果我係 Simon 呢，我呢就會練下我啲字㗎啦。咁好啦，今日呢就教完啦喎，第6課，大家都差唔多讀晒第1冊㗎啦。咁如果係咁嘅話，你哋有冇啲咩問題呢？你哋要重溫一次，下次我就會教 revision 㗎啦。你哋要努力啊！拜拜。